Happy Traeger Day 2020. I'm here with our Traeger, what is it, an Ironwood? Ironwood 885. Just got it. He told me I can't use the, what is that? The scrapey thing to, this, to clean the iron grate, or the grates. So I'm here using my steam cleaner. And it works out pretty well. Come on over and I'm just going to show you. I've got the nylon attachment on here and just cleaning it out. Okay, so I just want to pan in there, Nick, and I've cleaned the grates on this side, and you can see they came out pretty good, versus this side where I haven't. See how they're nasty. So anyways, that's my thoughts on cleaning these grates. I use my Chief steam cleaner and use the nylon attachment on my hose, and it works out pretty nice. So happy Traeger Day.